Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Learn to Read Qur'an. So in today's class we're going to build on what we did last time where we talked about the tanween of Kasra, the doubling of the Kasra where the E noise became the in noise. And today we're going to do a page of practice words with the double Kasra, with the Kasra tanween. So I hope your brains are in gear. Let's start line 1. Ka. Why is my pen not working? Let's try that again. Ka, ba, din. Ro, o, ba, tin. Remember this ta here, the tied up ta marbuta, it's called in Arabic. Don't get that confused with the qaf. Qaf at the end, if this had been a qaf, you would have seen its tail. You would have seen its tail with the 2 dots. So all I can say is just keep on practicing and you will start to be able to distinguish your letters very clearly, hopefully. So this is ra, qa, ba, tin. A, ha, din. So you can hear the in noise coming on these last letters. A, la, qin. Remember we talked about this last time? We said the qaf, when it has 2 kasras, isn't going to be very, very heavy. Unlike when a qaf has a fatha, like it did here. We had ra, qa. We had that nice thick sound of the qaf. But when the qaf has a kasra or even 2 kasras, it won't be particularly heavy. Line 2. The, ka, rin. And again, the light ra with the 2 kasras. Khu, lu, qin. Sa, na, tin. Sa, fa, rin. Line 3. A, ja, lin. B, ra, ba, bin. So this was a thick heavy letter when it had the fatha. This was a thick heavy letter. So you need to bring that out in the sound of the letters. Ma, ta, rin. Again, the ta here is thick and heavy, and you do that by thickening the back of the tongue. The tongue is a muscle. You can bunch it, so you bunch it up so it becomes thick and raised up, and almost as if your tongue is like boat shaped, concave in the middle. Let's carry on. Wa, ra, qa, tin. Then we've got on line 4, bi, sa, da, qa, tin. So this is quite tricky, this word. This ba, it's not difficult, it's light. This sad is thick and heavy. This dal is light. The qaf is thick and heavy. The ta at the end is light. So you have a phrase here, a word here, where you have a light letter, then a thick letter, then a light letter, then a thick letter, then a light letter. So you must see if you can get the letters to sound as they should. The thin ones should be thin, the thick ones should be thick. So this one was B, sa, da, qa, tin. Li, ba, sha, rin. Ka, li, ma, tin. And then you've got this slightly tricky one here because you've got to figure out what the letters are. So this one here with the dot below and the kasra there is B. Then you've got this shaped letter with the dot here. So this is kha. So we've got B, kha, ba, rin. Let's take my scribblings off so you can see what that word did look like. I'll do it again. Bi, ho, be, rin. Line 5. U, ku, lin. And for these Dhamma vowels, always make sure that your mouth, both top and bottom lip, are forward. It's to do with the jaw movement. Make sure the jaw moves forward so you can get that sound of u, ku, lin. You get the u noise nice and clear. Wa, su, u, rin. The, ha, bin. Ka, sha, ja, ro, tin. That was long, wasn't it? That was quite long. But that's because actually this is two words together. Kaf by itself is actually one word. And then you've got those other letters as another word. And that happens a lot in Arabic, actually. They do put words together, written together. And you could say to yourself, oh my gosh, well, we don't do that in English. Well, we do. Breakfast is actually breakfast. Armchair, we just call them compound words. So I guess you could say the same in Arabic. There are compound words as well in that sense. Well, written in that way, but not perhaps in the same way grammatically. Line 6. Su, hu, fin. Oh, look, we have two kasras that are sliding, but I know that you're not going to be worried by that because we've seen two fathas that are sliding. So by extension, yeah, we are going to see two kasras that are sliding. Why do we see them as sliding? Why are they not always looking stacked like this? You know the answer to that? Yes, you have to complete this course to find out. So I will carry on. Sa, fa, ro, tin, la, ha, bin, ha, ro, jin. Line 7. Fa, la, kin, a, ma, din, ba, ro, tin, nu, su, bin. Our final line, line 8. Hu, ma, za, tin. Bo, ba, qin. Wa, du, su, rin. Wa, fu, ru, shin. So we've done a whole page of practice words focusing on the tanween of Kasra. Lines 1 to 5, we saw all of these Kasras just all stacked neatly, one on top of the other. And then on lines 6 to 8, the Kasras were sort of sliding as if they'd slid past each other. But all of the words ended in a tanween of Kasra, whether they were stacked or sliding, and all of them had that in noise, that is the noise of two Kasras. Keep on practicing, everybody. See you next time. Assalamu alaikum.